Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve our new LeetCode problem 793, and the problem name is the pre-image size of factorial zeros function. Okay, so given that the let fx be the number of the zeros at the end of x, we call the x is factorial 1 multiplied 2, and this is the mainly factorial functions. Okay, and the y convention 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, so here given example f of 3 is equal to 0, and here 3 factorial is equal to 6. As you know that 3 multiplied 2 multiply 1 is equal to 6, has no zeros at the end, while f of 11 is equal to 2. Okay, and because 11 factorial is equal to that function, okay, has two zeros at the end. Here we can find the number of zero presents in the factorials. Okay, here given an integer k, return the number of non-negative integer x have the property that fx is equal to k. Okay, so please check it the our example, and the example is the here given input k is equal to 0. Okay, so in this example we want to find k is equal to 0. Okay, so here output is 5. So we can see the expression 0 factorial is equal to, in the 0 factorial we can see the 1 0, and the 1 factorial we can see the 1 factorial 0 again. So here add is it like 0 1, we can find the k is equal to 0, output is 5. Okay, so in the example 2 we can see the input, when input k is equal to 5, then we can see the output is equal to 0. Same example lesson as compared to the first example, we can see there is no number of x that x factorial ends in the k is equal to 5 zeros. Okay, so as it is example 3, input k is equal to 3 1, output is equal to 5. Okay, here given a constant, our k belongs to 0 to 10 to the power 9. Okay, so in this problem we can use the binary search operation. Okay, so let us start our code. First of all, I open my solution point and zoom our solution pad. So first of all, we are initialize our values. Okay, so initialize, first of all we initialize our low variable. Okay, so initialize long low is equal to 0. Okay, then initialize our high variable. So long high is equal to long, and our math dot power करेंगे, because we can see the math dot power, we can find the our power of any value of low, so we can use the math dot power. Okay, so we can use math dot power, and which power 10 and 20. Okay, now we can use a while loop. So use while loop, while remains while our low is less equal to high, while our low is less equal to high, till long mid, is equal to low plus high, and the high dividable 2, because our high divided when we use the minus 2, low plus high minus low divided by 2, because we can use the high minus low of 2 in this code, so we can put the value of high minus low divided by 2, so we can use that. Please take a parenthesis and like the high minus low, and divide by 2. Okay, then no, it's a long, that is a spelling error, we can correct it, that is a long mid. Okay, then comment the next line and make our new variable, that's variable name is well is equal to mid. Okay, and there we can use a new while loop for the applying binary search. Okay, so use the new while loop, while not while, it's while val is not equal to 0, when our val is not equal to 0, till our val divided by 5, a val divided by 5, and not 4, only val divided by 5. इसको we can store in the any variable. So we can store it's let's suppose the I want to take any variable, so not for it, that's we'll skip it and move on next line. Okay, so in the next line we can use the answer plus is equal to well, because when you use the val, then this value come out in the answer plus. Okay, so move on next, and we can use a new if else condition, where we put our new condition for the solving this problem. Okay, so apply the new if condition if answer is equal to k, when our answer is equal to k till, okay, where if answer, okay, so if our answer is equal to k, then simple return 5. Okay, return 5. Okay, If that's not good, so we can take a new if else if condition where we the new condition when answer is greater than 0. Look at here. We have only three conditions. First condition when answer is equal to k, and second condition when answer greater than k, and third condition answer is less than k. Here we can put new three types of the returns type. Okay, so for that we can use the if else if condition. Okay, so we use that when that then high is equal to mid minus 1. That's simple. Okay, it is right. Then make a new else condition, and here we can give low is equal to mid plus 1. Simple. Mid plus 1. That's our code. And at the last of this code, we can simple return 0. Return, return 0. Okay, that is our code. So I run this my code. Okay, it is run perfectly. Then we can submit that our code. Here we are submitting to frequently. Please ask your subscribe. Okay, that's wrong. We can submit again and again. Here. Okay, so our code is submitted.